Hello, my name is Rick Kruger, also known as Honda Rick from Don Ayers Honda here in Fort Wayne, Indiana. And today I'm going to show you what we call the all-season package accessories for the all-new 2019 Honda Passport Elite. And these accessories are good for the Touring, the EXL, and the Sport as well. So come with me and let's go take a look at the accessories of the all-season package for the 2019 Honda Passport. First off, I just completely love, and I can't stop looking at how awesome the new Passport looks with the LED headlights. But today, I want to show you the front splash guards, which is part of the all-season package. You also then get the rear splash guards right here. And they go down there. In the back, because this is the Elite, you can do the automatic open and close by kicking the rear tailgate. Or if you don't have the remote with you, you can push the button there and open it up. But part of the all-season package is this really nice cargo tray that outlines the whole back area here all the way to the couple cubby spots on the left. So, and it is also folding, so you can get into the trunk area where your cloth mats and everything else is stored back underneath here. Close the tailgate there. Another great part of the accessory package is the rubber mats inside, and they go from door edge all the way across to the other side, and you can see it's got the nice lip on the side, kind of like the what you want to call WeatherTech, and it also has the hooks there so that the mats don't move back and forth. And in the front, again, you got the nice high wall on the mat here with the little hook there, and also on that side, and they're nice and say the Honda Passport on the side. Same thing with the passenger side, exact same mat as the driver's side. So once again, there you have it, the all-season package that we call, that protects the vehicle with the splash guards, the rubber mats, and the cargo tray in the back. Again, that is the small accessory package that you can personalize your Honda Passport with at your local dealership as well when you get one. So please give me a big thumbs up for this video. Hit the subscribe button down below, and I greatly appreciate you watching. Once again, this is Honda Rick from Don Ayers Honda in Fort Wayne. Thanks.